Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ghost detector app. First, download a well-reviewed ghost detector app from your device's app store. Next, make sure your phone's location services are turned on, as many apps use this for environmental data. Remember, these apps are primarily for fun and entertainment, offering a unique way to explore your surroundings with a touch of mystery. Now, let's explore the app's features. Most apps simulate readings from electromagnetic fields, or EMF, and electronic voice phenomena, or EVP. Take a moment to calibrate the app if it offers that option, which can improve its simulated accuracy. Observe the on-screen visuals and listen for any audio cues, as these are the app's way of indicating potential activity. For the most engaging experience, try using the app in quiet, dimly lit locations. This helps you focus on the app's readings and any subtle environmental changes. Move slowly through your chosen area, allowing the app time to process data. Consider recording your screen or taking notes during your session to review any intriguing readings or events afterward. Finally, remember that the readings from ghost detector apps are simulated and intended for entertainment. Don't take them as definitive proof of paranormal activity. Share your experiences and findings with friends to add to the fun and mystery. These apps are a fantastic tool for imaginative play and exploring spooky stories, offering a unique way to engage with the unknown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.